Welcome back to Muddy River Clay. Today's project is an absolute blast. We're making a monster planter. This little guy is all about fun, personality, and maybe a little gnarly charm. Let's dive in. I always start with a rough sketch, and I don't mean rough sketch. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting the idea out of my head and onto paper. If I can draw it, I can make it. Kinda. Next, I roll out a slab of clay and grab my trusty plastic bag to wrap around the shape. This gives it that nice rounded base for the planter. And once it's all wrapped up, I can clean up the edges, and then we can get creative. Now for the fun part. Let's give the monster some serious personality. I start with big bold eyes, and then move on to the gnarly crooked teeth, and for a little extra flair, a tongue, because why not, right? Here's a cool trick. I'm using high temperature Nichrome jump rings for some extra character, and these can go all the way through the kiln without a problem, and they add a fun, unexpected element to the piece. And there you have it, one whimsical monster planter ready to take over your shelf. I've decided to name him George. Doesn't he look like a George? Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you had fun, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more muddy adventures. See you next time.